It's my honor and privilege to welcome all of you to the Business World Digital India Summit. As Business World, we've carried the agenda 6 issues back. The Business World issue was on the Internet of Things. And we believe when our Prime Minister talks of a digital India, he's essentially talking of an Internet of Things where digital becomes a solution provider, a solution to almost every aspect and almost every problem that we have, and more importantly, helps us do things in a more efficient, better manner. And as the current Prime Minister is very tech savvy, if I may use, he understands that whatever his government has to achieve, it can be leapfrogged by investments in broadband, by investments in infrastructure that enables the digital India. And as you know, the ministry has moved a note to expand the amount that was initially envisaged, and now the amount is almost 21,000 crores. So really there is a serious intent. Even if you look at the budget speech of Mr. Jaitley, he talked about digital about 9 times in his speech. So really, and if you compared it with the speech of the last finance minister, there was no mention. I'm just saying these are very simple cues. So I really believe that it is not a talk. The Prime Minister is walking the talk, and I can tell you we are lucky to have a Prime Minister like that who thinks out of the box, who is really driven, and he knows that there is a weight of expectations. So really he knows that Digital India is one way to achieve all the promises that he and his party have made, and they've raised the expectations. So the super information highway that we've been talking for, I think I've been going to conferences for 20 years now, and we've been talking of a convergence for about 20 years. I can remember at least 20 years. But I think now is the time when things are really at the cusp of, in some way, happening. So really, we are lucky to be part of it. And the second thing I wanted to say is, whenever we think of Digital India, we think of, not in this room, but I come from the media industry, I come from advertising. Yesterday, I was in our annual conclave on advertising, and there were 7 international media CEOs, and they were talking of digital. And that's another world. But there's a huge interface between what's happening in that world, because that is only enabled because consumers are using those services, they are using that information highway. And the coming together of these two worlds, if I may think of them as two worlds, will really create entrepreneurial opportunities within this sector. And companies like Dell, companies like Vodafone, who have been in this country for a long time, have been serving the customers, and understand the culture and the needs of the infrastructure here, are really poised to support the government in a public-private partnership. Because for the first time, Modi's made entrepreneurship popular. Because I know, I come from a family of academicians, my parents are academicians, and anybody who became an entrepreneur was looked down upon, and if politicians are bad, entrepreneurs are bad, bureaucrats are bad, everybody is bad. That's what I've heard over the last 20 years. I think for the first time there's a Prime Minister who knows that you cannot achieve what you have to achieve without entrepreneurship. And this coming together of these two worlds will really make that entrepreneurship happen. He's really talking of a public-private partnership. He's talking of a citizen involvement in governance. And I think these are exciting times. As Business World, this is a small initiative that we've taken, and we are thankful to our partners for supporting us. But I promise you, in this domain of Digital India and e-governance, we'd like to be a torchbearer. We'd like to be a catalyst. We just don't want to do conferences, but we will make it a movement. And over the next 6 to 10 months, you'll see that what I'm telling you here, we will see it in our editorial product. You'll see it on digital. For us, Business World is a digital product. We're going to launch a daily digital product. So this is something that we as a community of people who can be a catalyst in helping this happen will contribute to. We look forward to an engaging day. Like all of you, I look forward to learning. And thank you for being here, and thank you for your patronage and your attention. I hope we will be a good partner in this initiative and help you achieve part of what our Prime Minister is set out to do. Thank you so much.